Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. On this video here, I'm going to show you how to buy Hokkaido, okay? So I've seen it around on Twitter a lot, so I thought why not making a video about how to buy it or sell it. Go to markets and as you can see here, you'll find that it's listed on these platforms here, but the one that we are familiar with is Uniswap. So let's go to Uniswap, but before that we check here. You can see it's paired with WETH. It's wrapped Ethereum, so you need to wrap your Ethereum that you have on your Metamask wallet. How to do that, you'll find a video that I've made about how to wrap or unwrap Ethereum. It's super easy. It will take you less than a minute. Okay, go to app.uniswap.org and connect wallet. Choose Metamask, next, and connect, and there you are. Okay, now choose WETH, and as you can see here, where your balance should appear. Okay, so you can click on it and it will get the maximum amount of WETH that you have on your Metamask wallet. But now let's select Hokkaido, type in Hokkaido. Okay, this is it. So if it doesn't appear in here and it's something like this, just click on import. Okay, and it will, and import again, and it will appear like this, and it will be in here. Okay, so now that we are in here, now you can select the balance that you have, which is the maximum of WETH that you have, or put in the amount that you are willing to buy Hokkaido with. Okay, so let's say 1. Okay, now it will show us the amount that we'll be getting, but here, before we get or start swapping, there is a bug. Okay, so if you can see 1 WETH, which equals Ethereum, it costs 4,000 and more dollars. Okay, but as you can see here, you're only getting 6,000 in here. So how to fix this and get the correct market price of Hokkaido? Okay, so what you need to do is click on Hokkaido, go to manage token lists, go to tokens, and clear all. Now let's get back, and as you can see, this is the correct and the accurate price of Hokkaido from the marketplace. Okay, so if you are buying with this here, you'll be getting this much of Hokkaido, and then you can see that you can swap, and click on it, and there it is. You swapped your WETH and you exchange it to Hokkaido, and it will appear on your wallet. So this is it. It's super simple. I hope you like this explanation, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this, and thank you for watching.